Assalamualaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Dear students, today we will learn about colors. Let's say it together. Dear student, look at this. Page number 2 on your book. First color is red. Say with me, red. Look, this is red apple. This is red balloon. And this is red umbrella. Wow! Red looks so bright. Now let's see yellow. Say yellow. This is yellow jacket. This is a yellow jacket. This is a sun and its color is yellow. And this is a yellow banana. Yellow is such a happy color. Now let's learn blue color. Say blue. This is a blue plate. This is blue tie. This is a blue plate. This is a blue tie. Very good, students. And this is a blue cap. Blue looks so cool.